Building design systems using components is a key practice in modern UI/UX design. What is a design system? A design system is a structured set of reusable user interface elements, components, patterns, and guidelines that teams use to build products efficiently and consistently. It helps maintain uniform design standards while enabling faster development and better collaboration across teams. Think of a design system like Lego blocks. Each block represents a reusable component, and these blocks can be combined in different ways to build multiple structures, such as screens or entire applications. This approach ensures consistency, flexibility, and faster design, just like building with Lego. What are components in Figma? Components are reusable user interface elements that form the building blocks of a design system. Instead of creating elements from scratch every time, designers use components to maintain consistency and save time. Common examples of components include buttons, cards, navigation bars, input fields, and models. These elements can be reused across different screens, ensuring a consistent look and feel throughout the application. Component variants allow a single component to have multiple states or versions. Instead of creating separate components for each state, designers can manage all variations within one component, making the design system more efficient and organized. For example, a button can have different states like default, hover, pressed, and disabled. Similarly, a card component can have variations such as selected, unselected, or highlighted. Using variants helps maintain consistency while also making it easier to manage and update designs. Steps to build a design system using components. Step 1 is to identify reusable elements. These include common UI components like buttons, forms, icons, cards, models, and navigation bars. Designers analyze existing screens to identify repeating patterns and elements that can be reused across the application. This step helps in building a consistent and efficient design system from the ground up. Step 2 is to create components in Figma. Start by selecting an element, then right-click and choose Create Component. This converts the element into a reusable component. It's important to name components clearly so they are easy to identify and use later. You should also organize components into categories such as buttons, cards, forms, and navigation. This keeps your design system clean, structured, and easy to manage. Step 3 is to add variants to your components. Variants allow you to group similar states of a component into one place, making them easier to manage. For example, a button component can include multiple states such as default, hover, active, and disabled. This approach keeps your design system organized while ensuring consistency across different interactions. Step 4 is to define styles for your design system. This includes setting up colors such as primary, secondary, accent, and feedback colors. Next, define typography styles like headings, body text, and captions to maintain readability and hierarchy. You should also standardize spacing, including padding and margins, to ensure proper layout and alignment. Additionally, define visual details like shadows, borders, and corner radii. Once these styles are created, apply them consistently across all components to maintain a unified and professional design. Step 5 is to build your component library. Organize all components logically into categories such as buttons, forms, cards, navigation, and icons. This makes it easier for designers and developers to find and use them. It's also helpful to add a preview for each component so users can quickly understand how it looks and behaves. A well-structured component library improves efficiency, enhances collaboration, and keeps your design system easy to navigate. Step 6 is to use components in your prototypes. Designers can simply drag and drop components into different screens, making the design process faster and more efficient. Content within components can be replaced without changing the overall structure, allowing flexibility while maintaining consistency. Most importantly, any changes made to the master component are automatically reflected across all its instances. This ensures that updates are quick, consistent, and easy to manage across the entire design.